Since when I will change over. Which artist are you looking forward to?
Kwame Eugene.
Kwame Eugene. Oh, over to me to Kwame Eugene. You be my okay.
I will be you. I will mean that you I will you. I see you. I will see you. I pay show. I will see you. I be to the door. And now you canopy, I waited the chibu, the name of God.
Lovelies, Akwaba, welcome to the 2024 edition of Ghana Party in the Park. Today, Julie Juu TV is here to give you an amazing interviews and entertainment. Today, we're going to interview kids on how good they can speak the Ghanaian language. Follow me, let's go. Akwaba, your frozen.
Chloe.
Chloe, where do you feel here?
6.
What about Ghana Party in the Park that now where your first time?
I've been before.
Oh, not experience near saying.
Good.
Okay. Into artists when now trying to obey Kiddy. Where's me to Kiddy in Mayana? No. Okay. Activities when I saw you.
Go cars.
Oh, okay. Where's me a car? Hello, I show my me unyano musdan for phone now. Okay, we hope it's all about having fun. Bye. What's your friend say?
What's your friend is Stephanie?
Stephanie, what's your friend here? Bye.
Me free, Mitcham.
Oh, last to Ghana Party in the Park. What about her Dana said that your first time?
No, actually, we are my first time.
We are first. I was going to artists when I chance to Ube who Ghana Party.
Okay, I'm waiting for Olive the ball.
Hey, for you to me, I said, you need your Maya.
Believe me,
you go over you. If you try, girl, you go die young. Now, silent, go be honest, you got that patience for silent. But it's not sure when we see our phone or be our down for.
Okay, I want to say shout out to my mom, Victoria Asantewa, and then my dad. I love you so much, Daddy. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, hope you all having fun. Right there, doing it because your dad say. Akwaba, your friend was saying.
My friend is Caitlin.
Caitlin, what about Ghana Party in the Park, though? Only one the bar, yeah.
My mama and my auntie.
Oh, and artists by now chance to be home or Ghana Party in the Park. Kiddy, what you want to Kiddy in Yumbi? Am I? Anna untimin too. Okay, activities by now showing himself by here.
The bouncy castle.
Oh. You for questions in the car. Hello, trauma, me, unia, oh papa.
Hello.
That we hope you all be having fun. Right, that's it. Bye. Akwaba, what's your Udin the same?
We did the Jason.
Where did you fear him?
We did fear 7.
What about Ghana Party in the Park that now where your first time?
Me bad last year and then today.
Experience need to send last year.
Yeah, fine.
Fine. Into artists when I trying to open home.
Me kidding.
What's the to kid in your mama and dear sir?
What you are? Say cheese, take a picture. Shut up, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture.
Take a picture. Oh yeah, that's into activities when I all trying to open home.
Baby, who like slide? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hello, Atra. We're bushing for oh, mamma, oh, papa, oh, bia.
Pacho be shabe pusafio be dad for and did it.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Bye. Akwaba, what's your father saying?
Me pacha medin the prophet.
Prophet here. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11. What about Ghana party in the park that and now your first time?
I'm happy to be here and I would like to celebrate King Paluta.
Can you sing any of King Paluta's song?
Debbie.
Okay. Hello or friends or mommy or say hello to mommy, your friends.
At say me pacha me hoya pa na wonso.
Thank you so much. Hope you have fun. Bye. Akwaba, your friend was saying.
Kylie.
Kylie, what do you feel here? How old are you?
5.
4.
4.
Okay. Kylie, what about Ghana party in the park than away your first time? You came before?
Yeah, 4.
Okay. Kylie, which artist when I will change over? Which artist are you looking forward to?
Kwame Eugene.
Kwame Eugene. Oh, over to me to Kwame Eugene, you'll be my okay.
I will miss you. I will miss you. I will miss you. I will miss you. I will show. I will see you. I will to the door. And now you cannot be, and now you cannot be. I will the name of God.
Oh yeah, that's which activities Ben over here?
I'll be go on the trampoline.
On the trampoline. Oh, okay. Have a nice time. Bye. Mama Kwaba, what's your friend saying?
Sarah.
Sarah, what's your dear in Fiahe?
More 17.
Oh, what about Ghana party Dana said?
Yeah, about Ghana party.
What's your experience in your saying
last
time?
It was very nice to meet all of the celebrities. Yeah.
Into this year, artists when our chance
to be fair, we are waiting for King Paluta and Olive the Boy.
But you want to King Paluta?
No, me Olive the Boy.
Olive the Boy.
What's the other one?
Good singer now, say.
No, the new one there.
Not the King Promise too.
Telling me to shut up, oh, TV this one. No, I'm not sucker for no love. The no era day. Oh no, say she needs some time off. Girl, you thought I didn't care, so me don't give a fuck. You know,
it's activities when and obey,
activities we say about the always say we will try our best, you know. Ebenya bebre na ya.
But over to me nya kwan we so afa so chawa down for 4.
Me person me chia me mama me Afroins e Ghana, and then my mom Daniela and my dad and all of the Doma people, Doma him, you know, shout out to all of them.
Yeah, that's your hope is about having fun.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Akwaba, your friend was saying.
Your friend me Harvey.
Having but you didn't fear saying.
Me did 10.
Where did 10? Well, first time about Ghana party in the park that and I said what baby da?
My baby da.
Have you looked at that? Now experience need to say.
Fine.
At least when I was trying to open this year.
King Paluta.
I went to me to King Paluta in your mama and their son.
Okay. No.
Oh, okay. Activities when I ocean him so obey.
I'd like to explore around. And then see what I can do.
I went to me high. Actually, down for 4. We'll boost you 4 obia.
Okay. Hello everyone.
Okay. We hope you all be having fun. Bye.
Bye.
Akwaba, your friend was saying.
Me didn't Nathaniel.
What's your Nathaniel with the here?
But you say.
How old are you?
Me 14 years old.
Oh, what about Ghana party in the park? Dana, where your first experience?
Where my first experience?
The artist when I was trying to open. Kiddie, you went to Kiddie in Yumbia and now, so you're okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Into activities when I obasa obey.
My barber sang kwa.
Oh. The hope is that over to me after way so I can hello at your parents or down for 4 obia.
hello, mom, dad, Noble will be here soon, and yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope you have fun for the Ghana party in the park. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Akwaba, your frau saying.
My friend me Pandit.
Where they are here?
How
old are you?
8 years old.
8 years. Artist when I ocean so ben huno.
Kiddy.
Kiddy, you bet me to Kiddy Nyumbi Amayandasa. Can you sing any song of Kiddy?
Touch it.
Oh, over to me at Tony.
Buffa.
Hey, hi, Mary Jane.
I'm high on life. Wanna meditate.
Allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, yo. Every day different wahala. Problem not the finish, yo. Yeah, that's it. Into activities when a person obey you. Which activities are you going to do?
Name.
Oh, own name. Over to me for Kwame, so Aka, hello, Acha, mama, oh papa, obia. Can you say hello, greet your friends?
Hello, mommy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you have fun. Bye.
Bye.
Now.
Akwaba, what your frau say?
Oh, me didn't do Bohima.
What your boy, what your Ghana party in the park than away your first time?
My first time.
For the artists when I change so open.
Kimpaluta.
For the rest of my name, Biana.
Kimpaluta, eh. Kimpaluta, eh. Eh, koye mami. Eh, koye mami. Eh, koye. Defa de fanticha. Defa de fanticha.
But the activities when I obey yourself, what be?
Yeah, my first time, you know. I'm just gonna have a look around. Me baba for the first time, you know. Me person me man who the culture of Ghana and how Ghana we are very nice and approachable. You know, me person me introduce, you know, to the Ghana atmosphere.
Yeah.
Like I say, me didn't call Ghana. What's me a blending in?
Pachenti, yeah, that's it. So, but it's me a higher chair or beer or busia for beer.
Hello, everyone. We say hello to Obia or Tequada so Obia or call Cambridge International and all Kumasi Academy members. Say hi everyone. Bye.
Bye. Put your dance.